Welcome children. Today we will practice identify the picture. Let us start. Here is the picture of cat. Picture of cat. First letter is C. C for cat. So we will write C. What is this? Fish. The picture of fish. First letter is F. We will write F. F for fish. Grapes. The picture of grapes. First letter is G. First letter is G. G for grapes. Monkey. First letter is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. What is this? Your favorite ice cream. First letter is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. And what is this? Parrot. First letter is P. P for parrot. P for parrot. This is the picture of Xmas tree. First letter is X. X for Xmas tree. Yak. First letter is Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Thank you.